going to talk about reusable blocks, okay? What they are, how to use them, and how to make the best use of them. Okay, here I am back in my dummy page again. You might recognize this table from one of our previous videos. Okay, so what is a reusable block? It is very simple. It is a group of text, picture, data, whatever you want on your page that you want to be able to reuse somewhere else very easily, right? So let's just say, for example, on this page here, and mind you, most of this is is stock from Carrot, but let's just say you went in here and you changed all this stuff up. You added these tables and groups. We added this table the other day. This is not a stock Carrot table. This is just a table we made in 2 seconds the other day, right? So you say, you know what? I want to use this setup on a different page. How do I do that? Okay, very, very simple. All right, go to the first place that you want to lock into your reusable blocks, right? Click the mouse. Now you're going to click Shift on your keyboard. All right, you're going to click where you want. Oops, as I clicked too many times. Start over again. Click here. We're going to click Shift on your keyboard. Go down to the next section and go down to the next section. I want these 3 things, right? My table, this group, and this paragraph to be part of a reusable block. Over here, see where my mouse is? We're going to click on these 3 buttons and click on the tab, Add to Reusable Blocks. Boom, what are we going to give it a name? Let's give this a name. We're going to say this is example reusable blocks. Save. Okay, so now what is that done for us? Okay, we are going to get out. You know what? Let's just I'm going to save because I don't want to screw up what I've done. We're going to save the draft. Again, this is a draft page. Nothing is live on this, so I can do whatever I want and not worry about it. So let's just say I want to go down here to my How It Works page. And you see I created a duplicate and this is still a draft, so I can go in here and do what I want. I'm going to edit my How It Works page. And over here, above this gray area, I want to add that same block. Hover my mouse, add block, browse all, go over here to your reusable, and here's what we just made. Example reusable block. Boom. There's everything that we just did is right here. Okay, so you don't have to retype. You don't have to redo all of what you just did. You can just click and reuse it on another page. Save draft, and we're good to go. Why do you want to use reusable blocks other than that? Well, they come in handy for your city pages, right? So typically for your city pages, we've gone over this before and I'll probably do more videos in the future. You take your primary converting page, which is usually your state page, or it could be your national page if you're going national, but usually going to be your state page. And let's say you're going to pick your 2 or 3 or 4 top cities. You would duplicate that page and then make that page specific for your cities, right? So let's go back into this. In that case here, you see where it says Market City. We've discussed that before. That's a short code. This short code is in, it's actually not, we didn't make it part of the block, but the short code here at company, that company is short code, and serious about selling your Market City short code. So whatever your city is in your settings of Carrot will show up when this page loads. You can override that for each city. You come down here to override market settings and see my city is Virginia Beach. let's just say I want to make this for Norfolk. Use capitals. So wherever on this page the short code of Market City will show up is Norfolk would show up. So I could duplicate this page and make it all for Norfolk. Duplicate another page, make it all for Chesapeake, and so on and so forth, right? But let's just say a few months from now, I say, you know what? I don't really like this table. I want to do something else with it, right? So what we can do, right? We want to make some changes to this, but we want those changes to go to all of the pages that have this reusable group on it. So we don't have to go to each page and change it. That's part of the benefits of having a reusable group. So click on your group and see now where you're in. You make sure you're in the reusable blocks. You can go, there's a number of different ways. The easiest way, go up over here to your options, those three dots, click that, and manage reusable blocks. Leave site. Yeah, we're going to leave the site for now. So here are my reusable blocks. We're going to edit. Here's the one we made, example reusable blocks. We're going to hit edit. It takes us to just what's in those reusable blocks. Now let's just say over here, we want to work on the table. You said, you know what? I don't like it looking like this. I want it to have a header section. So I come over here to the right, and let's just say I want to add headers. Look at that. Okay, I think this is going to look better with headers. Command X, Command V. Oh, you know what? I like that better. So now we go Command X, Command V, Command X, Command V, Command X, Command V. That leaves me with an extra line here. I'll put my cursor here. I think it's, let's take a look. I think it's edit table, right? So we're going to delete the row. Boom, look at that. Okay, I think that looks better. I think that looks better than it did before. And then let's just say, I don't know, I want to make something else different over here. We believe the house selling process should be easier, faster, and more painless for home sellers. We'll even clean up the property for you. It's easy and convenient. And I'm going to put like this, you know, we are the best option for your needs. I'm just making something up here right now, right? So and I'm going to make it bold. This way we can see it, right? So I've added this line, and then we added this up here. We changed two things to our reusable block. We're going to update. We're going to save it, right? So now if things are proper, if things are working the way they're supposed to, we're going to go to content. We're going to go to pages. And there we go. Now we buy houses direct. This is the page I was working on. Let's take a quick edit look at it. It changed. Look at that. There's the changes that we made. There's the changes that we made. Now let's go back. Where else did we put this page? I'm going to leave. We didn't do anything. Where else did we put that? We put down here on the how it works. Let's edit. Let's take a look and see. Look, there's the changes we made. Okay, we made the change once in our reusable blocks, and it made the change on all of the pages that have that reusable block. That is why it is a good idea to use reusable blocks, especially on your location and city pages, because giant pieces of information might be good to share on every page, right? And when you want to make a change, you don't want to make a change to 4, 5, 10 different pages. You can just go to your editor and change it once and change it everywhere. All right. If you have any questions, just drop me a line, go below this video, let me know. I will be more than happy to help you. And until next time, have a great day.